So let's proceed. So we are using our stone to make sure we get rid of some, dead skin. So this one is more stronger. So you can use brush. You can use brush to clean the toes. So that hour you're gonna stay out there waiting for your turn to reach. You've already used it to finish, making your pedicure at home. That 50 euro you're gonna do. If you don't know what to use that money to do, bring it for me, guys. So that's why learning good thing is very, very important. When you learn it and do it yourself, guys, this is gonna give you joy more than the one you spend money to do. So kindly learn good things at home. So as I said, all my body is my niche. Everything on my body is my niche. My hair tutorial, my hairstyles, my face, as in using my face to do makeup, using my lips to show you how to apply lip gloss, use fixing eyelashes, fixing nails. This all my body gives to me, and which I try to learn as in since I came to Europe. So this mainly go for people in Europe, in diaspora, because we usually do things alone here, unlike when we are in Africa. So we have many families that help us, but once you are here, you get to learn many things so that you wouldn't be spending or breaking your bank all the time. So this technique or tips is for you. Everybody are eager to watch, but I'm just doing this video mostly for those that in diaspora. So you can learn many things to do. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you a nursing mom? Staying at home. This can save you from being lonely all the time, because once you are learning all these, guys, you bettered yourself. You're not gonna know who is there and who is not there. Guys, this is gonna save your money. It's gonna help you, as in, not to become lonely much. It's gonna help save your time as well. It's gonna keep you busy, and trust me, you're gonna still make money with it. When you learn it very well, you can still see someone that will say, okay, do you know how to do this? Come on. So no knowledge is a waste. Anything you learn is not a waste. So that's why we need to be learning good things and new things every day. When you do, you've already bettered yourself. So guys, I think we are done. So we're gonna change the dirty water to put another neat water before we start applying our good taste. So let me know what you think. How did you go about, look at what I'm using is bath. For those looking for, having excuses that I don't have money to buy all these tube for the pedicure. Guys, for those, I don't have money to buy these expensive, these salt lemon. You can use all these salt and lemon. Shampoo, you have shampoo for your hair at home. That's the three remedy I used, three products I used here. So it doesn't require much thing. Soak your legs like 15 minutes. As in, guys, these have your, the keys of your nail tools or pedicure appliances or equipment, guys. That's it. So watch us change this water to rinse the legs. So we are changing the water. So we want to use this to rinse the guys. We're gonna see the massive transformation on these legs before we go ahead to apply our test. So this is giving stay tuned, don't go anywhere. The next thing to do is to use towel to dry our feet. So guys, take a look at this. This is giving. So the next thing to do is to clean up our nails before we start with our nail polished, before we start applying our good test. So guys, we finished cleaning our nails to make sure it's very neat. So the next thing to do is to pick up the color of the cutters we want to apply. Guys, you can help me to choose the color to apply. Each color gonna go very as in well on our toe. So let's see. So here we have like many colors, like blue color, we have pink, we have navy. So I don't know the one to go ahead to apply. Okay, let me quickly go. I think blue is not good on my legs, so let me pick this color. I think this one is pink, or should I go for navy? I don't want the color that is too pronounced, because this is my toe I'm applying good test on it. It's my toe I'm applying good test on, so I don't want it to be over shouting or too pronounced. Okay, let me use this one. So this one, we're gonna coat this with our white cool test to help it shine. We finish, applying cutters on our feet. So I'm gonna show you these are our, filler. Guys, these the things to use to fill your, nails. This one is our scissors. So this one is our cuticle remover. So this one is our stone, as in to scrub our feet. So this one is our old polish, guys. We use this as stone as well. We don't feel like using stone. So this is the lizard ball. This one is our nail remover, and this one is our, cotton. So this one is our cotton. So guys, I like and cherish this so much. So it comes in kits. You can put it here without looking for any. So this is so very good. Look at how it comes. So try getting it yourself. It's helpful. So you're not gonna be running out that girls are looking for what to use whenever you are doing manicure or pedicure. So guys, we're gonna apply our oil on our feet. Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about our pedicure. Love you.